9.4 horsepower, we have to convert to kilowatts. I have conversion rate which says 1 horsepower is equal 746 watts. That's why I'm going to write 9.4 horsepower, and I want to eliminate horsepower. That's why I'm going to write horsepower in the denominator and watts in the numerator. 746 watts. Horsepower and horsepower will cancel out, and you're simply supposed to multiply 9.4 times 746. This is equal 7,012 watts. If you are going to convert the decimal notation to the engineering notation, you are going to have 7.012 times 10 to the third watts. Remember, power of 10, 10 to the third is representing kilo. That's why I'm going to write this answer as 7.012 kilowatts. And this is the solution to my problem.